Hearing can sometimes seem to change very suddenly. One day everything sounds normal, and the next, voices may seem muffled, distant, or unclear. While many people immediately worry about serious hearing problems, one of the most common causes of temporary hearing loss is actually earwax buildup. Earwax is designed to protect the ear canal by trapping dust, debris, and bacteria. Normally, it moves naturally out of the ear on its own, but when too much accumulates, it can form a blockage that prevents sound from traveling properly to the eardrum. This blockage can make hearing seem dull or reduced, sometimes in just one ear and sometimes in both. Many people describe it as feeling like they're underwater or wearing earplugs. Sounds may become quieter, conversations harder to follow, and everyday listening more frustrating. At Hearing First Oxford, patients experiencing sudden hearing changes are assessed carefully by an audiologist to determine whether earwax is responsible. If wax buildup is identified, microsuction can safely and precisely remove the blockage. Many patients notice immediate improvement once the ear canal is clear again. Sounds become sharper, speech becomes clearer, and normal hearing often returns straight away. Temporary hearing loss caused by wax is very common and usually very treatable. The important thing is getting the ears checked professionally, rather than ignoring the symptoms or attempting unsafe home removal methods. If your hearing suddenly feels blocked or reduced, earwax may be the cause, and professional treatment could restore clarity much sooner than you expect.